I'd like to share with you today some advice I received as a young professional in terms of playing in heavy wind. There's an old saying in golf, and the saying is, when it's breezy, swing easy. The reason why this advice is actually very good for you to do when you're playing in heavy wind is that if you swing easier, you don't put as much backspin on the ball doesn't stay up in the air as high, and the wind can't affect the shot as much. This is what it looks like if you do it correctly. Notice I took an abbreviated backswing and follow through. So remember, when it's breezy, swing easy.